Hey everyone, I'm Aaron, the production carpenter. Today we are at an epic home. Lots of cabinets, lots of rooms. I think we'll only have enough time to get the cabinets in today. So let's watch that unfold. It's hot, it's gonna be a mess, there's gonna be sweat everywhere. Well, we got all the cabinets inside. Got the ones upstairs that needed to go upstairs. Can't get the ones down in the basement. Tile guys are down there. That's okay though. We'll get those tomorrow. Lots of sweating, as promised. Hair is a wreck. I'm tired. I'm going home. We will start this fresh tomorrow. Good day. Here we are back for day 2 in Castle Pines, Epic Homes. Got all the cabinets in yesterday. Very hot, very tired. Already set up this morning. Once again, very hot. Gonna be a lot of sweat today. So based on how far the air hose reached, gotta start in bath 2 upstairs. Tile guys are still here, so we won't be going to the basement today. Tile guys. Anyways, we're gonna get this thing started. Thanks. Here we are heading into Castle Pines, day 3 of the Epic Home job. Sadly, we weren't able to film the second half of yesterday. Hey everyone, I'm Aaron, back here in Castle Pines on day 4, Epic Home. We weren't able to film due to other people not wanting to be on film, the other people that were working in the house. So that's okay. We're gonna get started in this kitchen today. Tough to see, got a tight shot. Got cameras and lights everywhere, so let's just watch this thing. Should be fun. I'm excited. Here we are, day 5, Castle Pines, Epic Homes. I think it's day 5. Got Eric on the back end doing all the hardware. It's coming together.
Welcome back. Saturday, day 6. Pretty tired of this house. Castle Pines, not tired of this house, just tired from this house. Last day here, gonna finish the crown in the kitchen, gonna get this island wrapped up. Be good to go.